the living. Happy New Year to all. I'm wishing you all the best. We will celebrate New Year. So, we toast first. Today is New Year. We need to smile. Cheers. Smile all day. Why you don't, Madaya? You are, why you don't, cheers?
Oh, well, I'm sorry.
Oh, you're like that, Julie. If you are, you know, if you are drinking what, beer or anything, it's like, what they call that? Sneaking the shot. But sometimes me, I'm also a sneaking shot. Because I don't like to be drunk. Daddy, what you are doing here? Ah, bread. Okay. So, I have tilapia here, but my husband don't like.
They still didn't let the chickens out.
Oh? Okay, I will,
I'll let them know.
yeah. You don't like to drink?
Yeah.
What do you want, darling? Ah, okay. I'm sorry for that.
Okay. Want to make toast? Huh?
Toast, which yours? I know.
I'm making a toast.
Which is, darling?
Toast.
You.
I just do.
No,
Toast.
you drink.
I can't drink this.
This is good. Good vibe. Oh, you stick. Okay. Happy New Year.
Same
And
here.
I'm wishing you all the best.
You're missing me.
I'm wishing you all the best.
Oh, thank you.
So,
To do that, then you don't have any.
so we are all year. We are smacking each other, isn't
Well,
it?
I hope so.
Yeah,
Smacking each other.
smacking like that.
Smacking
like
that's
that?
a kiss.
Yeah.
You know,
We call
smack each other.
we called it smackies. Smack is like dumping, like
Here is smackers like this.
oh. Okay. Me, I will put it fight. I will put you fight this.
As soon as I finish eating, I'm going to stop.
Ah, me too, darling. So you try this beef.
Mm.
Ah, okay. So that's why this is more than half. But Talon not. But Talon eat a lot of what do you call that? I cook. So tonight I will not cook because I will having fun on my phone to have a video. Okay. So I will put the fight first. Here, darling. Oh, tilapia.
Well,
Woo. No! Why? Daddy, what you are doing? What are you doing?
showing them that ugly fish.
You make a mess.
Just get the bag. I'm showing them the ugly fish.
No, that is not ugly.
It even has barnacles or something on it here. Look. Even has them little barnacles that stick to the fish. Look at it.
That's delicious, darling.